Hello my dear class 5 students, hope all of you are doing well. Today I am going to discuss about your term 2 project assignment. For term 2 project assignment, you will use the same project file that you have used for writing the term 1 project assignment. While you have ended your term 1 project assignment, just after that leave one page where you will write term 2 project assignment. Afterwards, you will start writing your term 2 project topics that I will discuss one by one in this video. This is the cover page of your project file. Here you will write session 2021-2022. Then write your name, class, section, roll number and subject project assignment.
Now, if you already covered your project file, then no need to cover it again.
In the next page, you will write term 2 project assignment. Then you will write acknowledgement. Here you will write, I would like to express my special thanks and gratitude to my subject teachers as well as our principal ma'am to give me the golden opportunity to do all these wonderful projects. I would also like to thank my parents and friends who helped me with their valuable suggestions and guidance. Then on the left side, write date, and on the right side, write your name, class, section, roll number, and then leave the space for teacher's signature. On the next page, you will make index like this. There will be total 6 columns. First column for serial number, second for date, then subject, then topic, then page number, and then leave the space for teacher's signature. In the serial number column, you will write 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Then write date and then write subject. You should maintain this order: English, Bengali or Hindi, mathematics, science, social science, computer, GK, and then bibliography. In the topic column, you will write the topic of your respective subject. Then write page number, and in the teacher's signature column, you will leave the space blank. Now I will discuss about the project topics. The first subject is English. On the right side at the top, write subject English, then write topic. The topic for subject English is paragraph writing. Ladakh has a rich and diverse culture and it is quite different from the rest of India. Write a paragraph describing the lifestyle of people in Ladakh on the right side and paste any two relevant pictures on the left side of your project copy. Next, those students having Bengali, write Bengali at the top of the right side and then write the topic. The topic is অনুচ্ছেদ লিখন। বঙ্গ প্রকৃতি কবিতায় বাংলার প্রকৃতির এক অপরূপ সৌন্দর্য দেখতে পাই। তেমনি কেন্দ্রশাসিত অঞ্চল লাদাখের ভূপ্রকৃতি ও আবহাওয়াও বৈচিত্র্যপূর্ণ। লাদাখের ভূপ্রকৃতি ও আবহাওয়া সম্বন্ধে অনধিক 8টি বাক্যে একটি অনুচ্ছেদ লেখো ও সে সম্বন্ধীয় ছবি খাতার বাঁদিকের সাদা অংশে আঁকো বা আটকাও। And those students having Hindi, write Hindi at the top of the right side of your project file and then write topic. The topic for Hindi is अनुच्छेद लेखन। चुनौती हिमालय की पाठ में दिए गए पर्वतीय जीवन शैली का ध्यान में रखते हुए लद्दाख प्रांत के लोगों के जीवन का वर्णन करते हुए 80 से 100 शब्दों में एक अनुच्छेद लिखिए तथा विषय से संबंधित चित्र लगाइए। Next subject is mathematics. Write mathematics at the top of the right side of your project copy and then write topic. The topic for mathematics is bar graph. A food retailer of Ladakh kept data based on liking of food items of a group of 50 tourists visited there. He observed that among them 20 liked momo, 15 liked thukpa, 10 liked skyu, 5 liked tingmo, and 25 liked butter tea. So based on this information, write the food retailer's data on the right side rule page and draw the respective bar graph from this data based on observation on the left side of your project copy. Next subject is science. Write science at the top of the right side and then write topic. The topic is pollution. Add a short note on pollution in Ladakh on the right side. Find out and make a list of the things which are causing pollutions in Ladakh and paste relevant pictures of the things on the left side of your project copy. Next subject is social science and the topic is climate and vegetation of Ladakh. Describe the climate and vegetation of Ladakh on the right side and paste relevant pictures of Ladakh on the left side of your project copy. Next subject is computer. Write computer at the top of the right side of your project copy and then write topic. And the topic is presentation software and its uses. MS PowerPoint is presentation software developed by Microsoft. There is other similar software through which we can perform presentation. Find out their names, at least 4. Also mention how this presentation software is helpful for performing the task. Also draw the interface, anyone, on the left side of the project copy. The last subject is GK and the topic is archery sport in Ladakh. Write 5 lines on archery sport in Ladakh on the right side of your project copy and paste a relevant picture on the left side of your project copy. After writing all the topics, at the last you will make this bibliography page. Here you will write, to make all these projects, I have taken help from internet as well as from my textbook. So that's all. Hope all of you have understood how to make your project file. Submission date will be notified later. Thank you everyone.